everybody, welcome back to Donnie's Adventures. Now, this can be a very special video. We are going magnet fishing. So, what we're going to be doing is going to be going some magnet fishing in Loudon, New Hampshire. Now, unfortunately, it's getting cold outside, so in the month of November, we're going to be doing a whole bunch of magnet fishing. And unfortunately, this is probably the last time we go magnet fishing into the spring because it's getting very cold. And the water will start to freeze and we will probably die. No, just kidding. We're not gonna die, but well, I'll try to do my best to do what I can when it comes to magnet fishing. But once it starts getting really cold, I'm not gonna be able to do it because I don't feel like freezing my butt off. So with that being said, I'm still gonna be doing some other good stuff. I have something planned coming up very, very soon, and it has to do with graves. It seems to be gonna be fun. We'll see how it goes. But I want to thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoy the video. Let's go.
Yeah.
That was a thumb. Oh, I got a little tiny hook. I got a wee little hook.
Oh, the baby.
So cute. It's a cutie cute. Oh. Oh, what'd you get? You got a hook?
It's a shiny one.
Ooh.
Rainbow color.
That's an old hook too. And nice. It's a pretty hooky. Look at the hooky. What's it, weeds? Oh, you got a fishing line?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's still on the...
Oh. Alright, you got some fishing line out of there. That's good. And some weeds. Oh, let's see what we got here. Oh, no, nothing. What's the fishing line? Alright. Oh, wait, oh, wait.
You got a hook.
More fishing line, okay. Just fishing line. Really?
You started it.
Oh, I started, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, alright.
It was on my telephone.
Oh, I see how it is.
This is mine.
Get your red rope out of here. Oh, look at that. Finally, look at that. First one.
Oh, like you come in there from...
Yeah. There we go. Finally. Jeez. Actually, it kind of looks like a bullet. No, that's a weight. That's a weight. Old weight. Oh, I missed. Finally! Change magnet. It says something different. You go ahead. I'll let you go for it. There you go. Ha! Ha ha! Oh no. Get out of my way.
Oh, wow.
Got a whole bunch of weeds. No?
No.
What is that?
I don't know.
Oh! It's one of those flashy thingy-majig things.
Flashy.
Yeah, flashy things.
Because I'm so flashy, I got it.
Right, yeah, there you go. There's the hook.
I'm on the hook.
It's a flashy thingy. You can grab it. Not gonna hurt you. Flashy thingy. Look at the flashy thingy.
It sounds like something.
Oh! Where'd it go? Oh. One of those little thing, I don't know what it's called, but...
Number hook?
Nah, it's one of those attachment things for like fishing. Oh, god damn it. Tesla won't let go. I'll never let go. Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at this.
Yeah, weeds.
Awesome.
Look at this. I got a really old.
Oh, fishing-all.
Yeah, another flashy thingy. Really old.
Oh, it's still Honeston.
I don't know. Oh,
Is it like a show and pen thing?
maybe.
Kinda
Looks like one. A bunch of crap in there. It's like it's disintegrated. I know that's an old flashy thingy. Oh, thank you.
I don't know. Oh.
There we go. Yeah, see? Yeah. Oh, look at that, another one, look. Got another one.
You're cheating now.
I'm not cheating. I'm just really good now. Oh, that broke it.
As opposed to before when you weren't good and now you're good.
I know, it's like I know what I'm doing. That's an old one too.
Oh.
So pretty.
It got bent.
Yeah, it's old. Really
It
old.
could be an errand.
Yeah, we'll put it on your ears. You look good. Oh, shit. So strong the magnet is. Remember to go slowly. I didn't mean that f***ing slow. You can go faster than that. Back in my day, we were so slow. Oh, look at that. I got a whole weight.
When I gave you money.
Here, I'll throw it out for you. I'll throw it out for you. I'll be really nice. Nice boyfriend and throw it out for you. Am I nice? Am I nice?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna throw it like a baseball now. Here we go. Actually, that was not bad. I don't see anything. Let me toss it out there for you. Because I'm such a nice guy. Yeah, don't fall.
You got me wet last time.
I got you all wet? Aww. There you go. Alright, such a nice guy. Wow. I don't know what that is. Oh, I see something yellow on there. Oh, you got something good. Hey, oh, that's pretty.
There's something like right there.
Oh yeah? Here, here,
like
hold this. Oh yeah. There you go, that way you don't lose it. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's nice and yellow. Can't miss that one.
It's neon color.
That's nice. Look at me. Ooh, lick it.